In a world dominated by industry giants, where big names and motorsports reign supreme, can a group of students from Twente beat the big motorsports names at the track?
Yes, we can, but not without a challenge. We are not merely conforming to the established norms. Instead, we are pushing the limits and creating new ones. We fearlessly embark on uncharted paths, unafraid of the uncertainties that lie ahead. We possess an unwavering passion for discovery. Breaking free from conventional thoughts, we strive to revolutionize the motorsports world. This is why Electric Superbike Twente stands out. We are a group of determined individuals who believe we can make a significant difference. Our innovative approach, driven by relentless enthusiasm, propels us forward. We are not intimidated by the dominance of big names. Instead, we are motivated to surpass them. We aim to astound the industry with our unmatched dedication and groundbreaking achievements. Together, we will exceed expectations and prove that as students from Twente, we have the power to leave an indelible mark in the world of motorsports. That's why we, as Electric Superbike Twente, can make a difference.